Let's turn our attention to the BRS slamming the Telangana government. There's a political war over the Musi River project, and K. Kavita has slammed Revanth Reddy's government. In fact, K. Kavita has alleged that the Congress government is hiding loan deals, further adding that Musi is a real estate scam. We have reaction from the Congress as well. The Congress has rebutted, saying it's an unwarranted criticism and claim made by the BRS, further adding that the Musi project is their top priority. Listen in to what K. Kavita told NDTV, followed by Ponam Prabhakar's reaction.
BRS leader K. Kavita has put forth certain documents suggesting that there are irregularities in what the government is proposing on the Musi development plan. What is your allegation now?
Ma'am, this government, Congress government in Telangana has been constantly lying to the people of Telangana. Then again, they started doing the same thing in the assembly as well. In assembly, when we asked what is the plan for the Musi River development, they said we don't have a detailed project report. Whereas we found certain incriminating evidence which suggests that they have submitted it to the World Bank in September, stating that a detailed project report is available. But however, again in October, they floated new tenders to finalize the DPR. So there is a lot of anomaly in what government says, and the hypocrisy around it and the secrecy surrounding the whole project is leading us to believe that it is nothing but a real estate project. Under the garb of cleaning up River Musi, they are trying to evacuate the poor people from River Musi without giving any compensation. You've seen the destruction that they have created in Hyderabad.
Very clearly, the figures don't seem to add up at all. To the World Bank, they are asking for a loan of 4,100, and to the Union government, they have written a letter asking for 14,000 crores. Did you question that in the assembly?
We did. We asked about the anomaly, and when you look at the public statements of the Honorable Chief Minister, he talks about spending 1,50,000 crores to clean up Musi, which is somehow very surprising, because even to clean up River Ganga, which is 4,500 kilometers, till date in the last 10 years, BJP government only spent 42,000 crores. Now with Musi River, which is around 55 kilometers, why do you need that kind of money? What is the interest of the government is not clear, and the more secrecy the government maintains, less transparency the government maintains, people will be doubting it, and we've questioned them in the assembly, and they've clearly lied to us. That is evidently visible, because in the last few days, the Chief Minister here had met Union Minister Kishan Reddy Garu, and he's asked for 14,100 crores for Musi River development. So there is a lot of confusion in what the government is trying to do. But however, Telangana, historically has always been concerned about taking loans from the World Bank. In KCR regime in the last 10 years, after the formation of Telangana, we have never approached World Bank till date. Whereas this government within a year are going to the World Bank. Apart from the 1 lakh crore plus loan that they have taken from the other banks, now again they are approaching the World Bank. So at this rate, we strongly believe that this is going to hurt the interest of the state in the long run, and we will severely protest this.
You're also suggesting that the government has misled both the council and the assembly.
They have absolutely misled. Yesterday, they gave a written reply saying that there is no detailed project report available till date. And surprisingly, they are also saying that people are evacuating on their own. Whereas we have seen contrary images happening, contrary videos going on in social media, where people are literally crying out for their houses to be saved. So they are lying to the people, they are lying inside the assembly, and we are seriously contemplating to move a privilege motion. Today we gave one more chance to the government. We exposed that these are the papers that are available to us. If the government comes back and gives a proper statement, we will not, but otherwise we will go ahead and move a privilege motion.
I have with me Senior Minister Mr. Ponam Prabhakar. The BRS is now saying that एक privilege motion move करेंगे, आप mislead कर रहे हैं, ये कह रहे हैं कि DPR नहीं है, हाउस में कह रहे हैं, लेकिन बाहर आप वर्ल्ड बैंक को DPR दिखा के आपने 4,100 करोड़ मांगा, और किशन रेड्डी जी जो केंद्रीय मंत्री हैं उनसे आपने 14,000 करोड़ मांगा.
नहीं, हमने इनिशियली उससे मदद मांगे है, कहीं DPR बना बोल के हमने ऑफिशियली कहीं नहीं बोले. इसके जस्ट अंदाज़ा ऐसा उसको बताने की जो होने वाला काम के लिए आपका मदद चाहिए, ऐसा बोले हम मूसी रिजर्वेशन के लिए हमने CL भी जाके आए. तो इसको पहले से भी पॉलिटिकल कंट्रोवर्सी करने के कोशिश में ये लोग रहे. पहले ये लोग तो हमारा पार्टी से निकल गए, MLA को मूसी रिवर बोर्ड का चेयरमैन बनाए, और मूसी ये लोग बात कहते गए 10 सालों से. हम उसमें अमल करने की जब कोशिश लगे, नाम आता है बोल के ये लोगों को पॉलिटिकल कंट्रोवर्सी करने का शौक लगे हुए. लगाने दीजिए, जो भी असेंबली प्रोसीडिंग्स में लगाना है तो हम जवाब देंगे. हम ऑन रिकॉर्ड कहीं भी आज तक मूसी में कोई कुछ काम नहीं किया. थोड़ा घर जो उनका सम्मति से हमने वेकेट किया, उनका ऑलरेडी अकोमोडेशन किया है.
उनका कहना है कि ये पूरा मूसी प्रोजेक्ट जो है रियल एस्टेट प्रोजेक्ट है, आप पैसा बनाने के चक्कर में मूसी रिजुवनेशन प्रोजेक्ट की बात कर रहे हैं।
ना, उनकी सोच ऐसा है, पूरा पुराने जो प्रोजेक्ट थे उनकी यही माइंडसेट से देखने की आदत पड़े तो सब वही चीज़ देखता है। ऐसा नहीं है, हमको मूसी के लोग मूसी में ही जीना क्या, ये बात मैं कविता मैडम से पूछना चाहता हूँ। मूसी का लोगों को फिर लाइफ दूसरा ज़िंदगी नहीं देना है, आपका बात यही है तो फिर आप जब काम होता है तो उसमें डेवलपमेंट होना है तो सबको इन्वॉल्व करना ही पड़ता है। बट नॉट दैट ओनली फॉर रियल एस्टेट इज़ रॉन्ग। कहीं भी कुछ भी ऐसा, आप किधर भी जाइए, सीएल जाइए, लंदन जाइए, अमेरिका उधर भी जाइए, किधर भी जाइए, वहाँ पानी का जो बॉडी है, वाटर बॉडीज़ है, वहाँ बहुत डेवलपमेंट हुआ। डेवलपमेंट के साथ साथ टूरिज़्म और सब बढ़ा हुआ है, वहाँ के लोगों के भी ज़िंदगी बदला है।
My colleague Uma Sudhir joins us live as well at the moment from Hyderabad. Uma, we've just heard K. Kavita saying that the Congress is duping people and alleging that they have sought a 4,100 crore loan from World Bank. But the Congress, meanwhile, admitting that they've asked for this monetary help, but saying that they haven't said anything about DPRs.
So the Congress government has in fact said that the DPR is not yet ready, and they have never claimed that the DPR is ready. I am here by the side of the Musi River. As you can see, that is completely taken over by all this wild vegetation that is there, and it is the cleanup of this river that was meant to be a thriving river that is now proposed to be rejuvenated by the Congress government. And you can see a lot of moss as well, green, taken over the river in many ways. And by the side of the Musi, you can see all these buildings, houses, all of which are now being broken, demolished. Notices have been issued to these people, and the government is claiming that they are voluntarily vacated, whereas and they have been given alternate arrangements, whereas BRS is claiming that they have not. What I must point out here is that for three major components of the project, detailed project reports are being done. Once finalized, the state government is likely to submit these to the union government and seek financial assistance. One, the project has, the Musi River Development Corporation has been formed for this very purpose. And the first part of it is a east-west corridor that will be connecting the east and west outer ring road, covering 55 kilometers from Narsingi in the west to Godali in the east. And that is a riverfront infra project, and development of Bapu Ghat as Gandhi Sarovar. That will be over a length of about 21 kilometers that they are talking about. And there's a phase 1 and a phase 2 as well. And there is a third aspect where 11 heritage bridges will be built across the Musi River at an estimated cost of 1,000 crore rupees. Plus, what the government plans to do is to have a trunk interceptor sewer main project, which will mean that there will be treated sewage STPs that will be there, which are this, the sewage treatment plants, which will be at work all along the 55 kilometers in order to only put treated water into the riverfront. We have seen several delegations going to other countries as well, including Seoul, where some media were taken as well to show them what the government is planning to do. But the BRS alleging that this is nothing but a real estate project. The Chief Minister has made it clear that while he is making big plans for tourism, Musi River Development Front is something that they are very, very serious about and intend to go ahead, because otherwise it has been like almost like turned into a curse for the city, whereas it should have been something that should have been the bed of prosperity for the city, and that's why he's keen on developing the Musi River front. Back to you.